Hello, guten Abend. So today we are making another short of the German language. जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता है कि हम लोगों ने प्रीवियस वीडियो में फर्स्ट पार्ट कवर किया है बेसिक का. जिन लोगों ने फर्स्ट पार्ट नहीं देखा है, आई वुड रिकमेंड कि आप लोग प्लीज जाइए और जर्मन के फर्स्ट पार्ट को कवर कीजिए. सो टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द जर्मन लैंग्वेज एंड on the left hand side I have written subject. So to this word subjekt, it is known as subject because in German language j is pronounced as ya, so we say it subject. Now subject in English is called as subject. So yes, I am talking about the subjects here, that what are the subjects that we consider or that we consist in German language. So as we know, in English we have different types of subjects. Even in Hindi we have different types of subjects like main, tum, वह, I, he, she, you, we. These all are known as subjects in each and every language. So in German, as German is also a language, in German as well we have these subjects. So first I will tell you the English subjects and afterwards I will tell you the German subjects. So in subject first subject are we having is I. We all know what is I. I is मैं. Okay. So I in German is known as ich. Most of the people who have been learning this language from Duolingo or any other platform, they are pronouncing this word as ich. Okay. So I is known as ich in German language. Next subject we are having is you. You is obviously तुम. ठीक है. So you informal is du. अब आपको एक चीज देखनी होगी जर्मन लैंग्वेज में, दो पार्ट रहते हैं, इनफॉर्मल एंड फॉर्मल. इनफॉर्मल और फॉर्मल का बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है. इनफॉर्मल लैंग्वेज जो कैजुअल कॉन्वर्जेशन हम अपने फ्रेंड से, फैमिली मेंबर्स से या फिर अपने जूनियर्स के साथ करते हैं, जिसे जिनको हम तुम बोलते हैं, दैट इज इनफॉर्मल. And then we comes to the formal part. Formal is something that we conversate with our formal ones like our boss, our professors, our senior ones. And आप ऐसे समझो कि you informal is तुम and you formal is आप. Okay? So you informal in German is known as du. Next come he. He is वह. For a boy we say he. He is known as er in German language. And then come she. She is known as sie. Do this. यहाँ पर हमें जो हमारा she होगा उसका जो s है वो हमेशा small s होता है. So it is z. Next come it. It we use for a thing, for an object. So it is known as s. Next come you all. Like if I have to say you guys are amazing, you guys are going, you guys are coming. So I have to say you all ear. It is ear. Next come we. We is hum. So we called as weir. It is weir. W-I-R, weir. And then you. As we have discussed here that you informal is do. So you formal is known as z. It is S-I-E-Z. Next we have they. To they we say z. It's this z and this and this. These three z are same. Now you must be having a question कि अगर हम she को भी z बोलते हैं, you को भी z बोलते हैं और they को भी हम z बोलते हैं, तो इन तीनों में हम differentiate कैसे करेंगे? That I would surely let you know in the next part. But for today we are covering the subject and the sign form. Now what is sign form? In English, as we know that we are having the identifications, the helping verbs they are known as in the casual language. So helping verbs like I am, you are, he is, she is, we are. So what do we say all these helping verbs in German language? So first of all, these helping verbs are known as sign form in German language. So if I have to say I am, to I we call ich, but what do we call to am? We say bin. So it becomes ich, bin. Second is you. So what do we say to are in German? We say bist. But you have to note it that with informal you, we are using best only. Okay, with only informal you. So do best. Next is he. With he, we say is. So with he, to he we call and to is we call ist. It's quite simple. We only have to add t here. So ist. Same goes with she and it. To she we call z and is become ist. It become s and is become ist. So I am ich bin, you are du bist, he is ist, she is sie ist and it is es ist. Okay, let's go to the you all part. You all is ear in German, and to the R, like you all are going. So to that R we say Zide. It is Zide. So ear, Zide. Next come V. V is hum. To V we say Veer, and to the R of V we say Zind. It becomes Veer, Zind. Next coming to U. As I just told you that U informal is do and U formal is Z. So the Z that would be coming with formal U would be sounding in Zind. It will be Z, Zind. Next come they. They is like Velog. So to they we call Z, and this Z also known as the R of the Z is also known as Zind. So it becomes Ish, bin, du, bist, ist, Z, ist, S, ist, ear, Zide, wir, Zind, Z, Zind, and Z, Zind. Now make yourself updated with the channel if you really want to know that how can we differentiate between sheezy, usy, and earsy. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.